Hey you, what up? Maryam here, welcome to my channel or welcome back. As you can see, I'm not in my studio, I'm actually at Kiss headquarters, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Kiss Magnetic Lashes and Liner Kit. I'm gonna walk you through the tutorial, show you all the steps of the super easy application. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already, hit the notification bell so you can see all of my Wednesdays and Sundays videos. And now let's get into this magnetic lashes and liner application. I finally found the best one, you guys. You're welcome. Here we have the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner Kit. In it we have the magnetic liner and also the false lashes. Cool thing about this lash is that it actually has 5 magnets. So what you can do is actually trim it to the magnet so that it fits better on your eye. And now it's going to fit much better. Before applying the eyeliner, make sure to shake the bottle. The liquid eyeliner is so easy to apply. It has a fine precision tip that really allows you to get a nice wing and then apply the lashes. I also love that the formula is biotin infused, so it helps your natural lashes, and it is paraben free. Make sure to fully draw in the magnetic liner where the magnets will be touching for secure application. And reapply 2 or 3 more coats of the liner for maximum strength. These double strength magnets will stay in place all night long. Line, lash, and done. I love how smoothly the eyeliner glides on and how easy the lashes are to put on. All right, now let's test these against some extreme wind. And they're still on. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.